How to add EBT card to sClub app. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. Starting off, launch your sClub application in your device. Make sure that you are signed in. If not, enter email address and password to sign in. If you are new, just tap on the Join Now button. Once you have logged in into your sClub application, you need to navigate to your payment method section. To do so, just tap on the More button that is present at the bottom. From there, head to the settings, then select the option of Manage or change your payment method. In here, you can add a payment card. Then you will find the option of credit or debit and EBT card. Select your EBT card. To add your EBT card, you need to enter your first name and your last name. Then enter your card number, that is most probably 16 digits. Then just tap on the Save button. Once you do this, you'll be able to add your EBT card to your sClub app. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.